Hey guys, we're gonna do some balance work. What I want you guys to do is to have these KP boards. We're just gonna go ahead and hop up on there. We're gonna just try to balance that out right there. Once you get that balance, you're gonna come down into a sit squat. We're gonna hold it here. We're gonna hold it for 30 seconds. And then after we do that, we're gonna put our jacket on. We're gonna jump in the pool. Okay, this is gonna warm up those intrinsic stabilizers. We got about 15 more seconds. Stay in that squat. Stay in that squat. Keep both sides even. We got 10 seconds. And then as soon as we're off this, we're gonna throw our pool stuff on. We got 5 seconds. 2 and 1. Okay, we're gonna jump off. It's pretty cold here now. So we're gonna start just using any kind of a rash guard or anything that's a little bit warmer. Keep your body a little bit warmer so you don't get so cold in the pool. Let's throw our bathing cap on super quick. I'm gonna put our goggles on. We're gonna do one more balance real quick. Just about 10 seconds. Here we go. Hold. Okay, good. After you get that, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. It's gonna be cold. Here we go. Oh, that's cold. We're gonna tread. So I want you to just tread. You're gonna use your arms. Let me try to get this out of the way. See my legs? I'm just kicking them up and back like that under the water. And your arms are gonna come in and out. Here we go. In, out. Kiko, I'm okay. Kiko, I'm fine. We're gonna do 10 more. Good. As soon as we're done with that, try to get this out of the way. And we're just gonna do breaststroke. As soon as you tap, turn around and go. Tap and go. This time, we're gonna add up pull. So you're gonna grab your wall, pull up, up. So your hands are cupped on the edge. Exhale up. I'll just turn this so you can see me a little better. Go this way here. Up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and swim to that far end so you guys can get me here. So we're just gonna do breaststroke to the end. I'm gonna do 10 more of those pull-ups. Here we go. As soon as you finish 10, breaststroke. When you get back here, it's a pull and a push. So you're pushing against that. Like that. Okay? So here we go, 10. Okay, now we're gonna go back freestyle. More pull-ups. Back to freestyle. Kind of hard too because you're tired. All this is really heavy. Here we go. 10. Now we're going to repeat everything again. Breaststroke. Beautiful. Breaststroke. Head more up and down. One more set, freestyle, here we go. Head up and down. Turn around and go. Finish with 10 strong. So there you have it. Whew. Nice, quick 10-minute workout right there. Breaststroke, superset with freestyle, superset with balance work, working and wear. Nice heavy jacket if you want to just get that extra little, oop, there goes my earring. The extra little workout. Oop, oop. I caught it. Got it. All right, guys. I love you so much. Remember to like and subscribe. Leave comments below. I love you, and you got this. Okay, love you. Bye.